Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's May 3rd, and we got the potential of the Fed rate increase today. FOMC meeting today at 2. So, obviously, you see me in the trade already. I've been doing some testing last night, and I'm still in this trade from last night around like 8, 9 o'clock last night. So, I'm waiting for this trade to stop, get me out, and then I will continue trading this session. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm a little bit late on the console today, so I'm not haven't really eyed anything. The up move is looking nice. We didn't do too much last night. We didn't really drop too low. This is the 25 range chart. If you look, we've been up and then we've just been consolidating, to be honest. So just keeping an eye on things. I got diversions here on this candle. So looking to see if this is going to hold true and push away. Looking to see if I'm going to get some telltale signs on this 5-minute chart for the up move to hold steady. But until then, we'll hang back and we'll wait for, yeah, we'll wait for the trades to develop and for our setup to present itself so we can execute on those. So I'm going to hang back and wait. All right, so what I'm looking at is to take this trade to the upside. But again, I'm putting on a trade and it's 9:45 and we had data drop at 9:45, just like my foolish first trade yesterday. But I was looking at trade getting back to the overnight high, which is this green line up here. But let's see how this works out. Should have been more patient and again realize data dropping at 9:45. But when you start seeing these spikes, as data dropping. But I do, looking at things, I do like price getting back up to the high of the day. That's why I put the trade on. But just watching overall, that's what I like. So that's why I put that trade on. So let's see how it works out with data dropping. But the data already dropped. It's 9:45. All right, so that long worked out. Although we had the 945 data dropped, price got to where I was expecting it, and obviously you see it's still going. So I'm happy with that first trade on the day. Obviously our P&L is still going to show negative because of I did two test trades on the Asian session last night. And if you were seeing this from the beginning of the recording, you'd have heard me mention, and you would have saw that I was still in a trade when I initially started recording. That was from a trade I put on just about like 8 o'clock. But because today's FOMC, I don't think we're going to get a whole lot of movement. It's typically extremely range bound. So we're just going to see what we can, we're going to keep looking, keep an eye on things, see what we can get out of it. But this is almost a nice 10-point move, at least from where I took the trade. Because I got in at 45, we hit 50, that's 5. And we almost hit 55, so that's a nice almost 10-point move right there. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. I'm going to look for 1 to 2 more trades on the day, and we'll see if we can hit those as well. All right, now, so I think so 10 o'clock data drop, we didn't really do too much of nothing. We having a decent pullback right now. I didn't quite see anything that would make me want to take this pullback trade on either side of it, especially after I just got out this long that hit. So I'm still keeping an eye on price. I'm waiting for about like 10:30, see how price is looking around like 10:30, and I decide if I'm going to take a trade or not. But normally on FOMC days, price is normally tight in a range, and then it starts to go sideways. So we had one good trade on the day so far for the 9:30 session, for the U.S. session, and we'll just keep that going and see what else we can find before we decide to stop trading for the day. All right, y'all. So you'd have saw I took another short back at 45 with the expectation price get back to 40. Obviously, to be honest, once I got in the trade, I wish I had took it at 47. And the reason I took the trade was I saw strong, selling pressure on this candle and this candle on the way back down. But looking at the 5-minute chart, I had this strong move to the downside here at 10:11. I mean, sorry, 10:10 on this 10:10 candle. All right. So I took the short at 45 on this candle at 10:15. We had a nice pull back close to 41.49. And then obviously we just had a nice, decent move back down to 40 where we got the fill. So that's my second trade on the day. Obviously, I'm green for the day finally with $6.25. I mentioned earlier that we had the 2 trades from overnight where I was testing. So, you work that out however you want to work it out. I'll take it as a good day. And I'm going to call it quits for the day, y'all, because it's FOMC. I appreciate this nice move up and then this move down. All right. Entry here, target here, entry here, target down here. So I'll take that. 2 trades, 2 wins, and I'll call it quits for the day. All right. So until next time, stay blessed, hang with the best.